Patrick, and I'm a proud Ubuntu user for the last 4 years, I think. And one problem I face is I wanted to broadcast my webcam on the internet as I do on Blog TV, and I found out that actually there was not a good support for webcams under Linux, or at least Ubuntu. So I looked for a few solutions, and I came out with a few ideas, like using the FlashCam software that you can find sourceforge.net. But okay, I was able to broadcast the webcam itself and to show my face over the world. But then I suddenly found out that other users on their Windows were using a software called Minicam, which enables them to broadcast something else than their webcam. So they can broadcast a movie, or they can broadcast their own desktop actually. And we cannot do that under Ubuntu. So no wonder why so many people think that Ubuntu is lame, because such a functionality is not there. Actually wrong. It is available, but you have to do a lot of things, and you have to open a terminal and write some command, and you can get there pretty the hard way, the geek way actually. So what I did, as I'm a programmer, I'm able to create some software. I'm a Java programmer, so I'm not more of a software creator to make things fast. So don't talk to me about drivers. I don't know anything about that. But to create software for the user, I'm good at it. So what I did is I managed to gather all the information that I could get on the internet, and found out that using the GStreamer framework combined with a few other utilities found at some places on the internet, and as open source project, was able to mix them together and create what I use right now is WebcamStudio for Linux. What it does is, yeah, it takes my webcam. That's this one you're seeing right now is V4L2 webcam. Yes, actually I could have broadcast directly from Flash 10 with this webcam, but there was no way to have this overlay picture that you have at the bottom with my toony face, if I can say that here. Here, okay, with my picture and from Ubuntu logo, and then my blog that I should work a little better because we cannot see it well. So that was one of the first thing I wanted to do under Linux. So I achieved that quite easily actually, but you had to create a script, and didn't want to do that. I wanted a software that was able to do that in a few clicks, and I did it. You can find WebcamStudio on SourceForge. Look at the links in my playground here on Blog TV, or simply look on the search engine at sourceforge.net, where the project is located, and it's available for free. It's open source. Currently, it's in alpha version, so there are some issues, but not big one. But we're able to work with it. But I want to show you what it can do and give some idea of where I'm going at. So, sorry. Currently, I have a second webcam connected to my computer. I'm gonna show it to you in a few seconds. Here, let's bring that. Okay. This one is the iToy webcam. I'm gonna show it to you. Stuck with. Okay. Here. This is the Sony iToy second generation webcam used to play some games on the PlayStation 2. what I did is find a driver on the internet, plugged it in my Ubuntu machine, and now I'm able to use it with FlashSight to capture some video with it, and that was impossible to do, even though it's a V4L version of a webcam. And what you see in the upper right of this broadcast is actually this webcam. We have a webcam looking at a webcam. Silly, funny, that's it. So now I'm able to broadcast two webcams at the same time, and just to show you that they're all connected at the same time, you can see here. The other nice thing I am able to do is to add text over each stream. So I have currently two streams. I have the upper right one with a small message running around and around, telling you that, hey, look out for WebcamStudio on SourceForge.net. And I can also broadcast a message on the main one. Right now I can, because I have an image over my main feed, and now I have to work on this. So as I said, it's an alpha version right now, but I'm getting there. Other thing I can do is show you my desktop. So I'm currently adding a new layer that will be shown full screen, and that stream capture of a VGA size of my desktop. I mean, I'm going to capture 640 by 480 of my desktop, but it's going to show in a 320 by 240 size in the webcam itself. So I'm going to start it right now. There, you can see my mouse, you can see my desktop. Currently you're seeing the Blog TV web page where I'm broadcasting, so you have a looping effect. So I'm gonna just put that down, and I'm gonna show you WebcamStudio, what it looks like. And for a Java application, it looks pretty nice, since I'm binding with the natural look of Ubuntu instead of using the look of Java. So I've put in there some icons. Things are going to change eventually if people find that it's too ugly or not intuitive or whatever. The project just started. So as you can see at the top here, it's build 41, so it's quite young, but it's working well. And you can see here, this is the desktop. This is my overlay picture that I've put at the bottom. This is my webcam, my iToy webcam, and this is the webcam from my laptop. And I can play with this also. I have some settings. I'm going to put that just a little on the side. And I have some settings. Say, okay, I want to change the brightness. Look at that. So if you're in front of your webcam, it's not showing well. Brightness, contrast, the hue. No, don't know really what to do with it, but it was available, so I put it there. And saturation and gamma. Actually, brightness and gamma looks like they're doing almost the same thing. Anyway, also you can have different special effect that you can enable upon starting your feed. Right now, since everything is started, I cannot apply it on current stream. This is a limitation of the GStreamer framework. As soon as it will be possible, I'm gonna enable this. But they're there if you want to add some special effect, as you see in the Effect TV software you can get from the repository. And I have the transparency mode where you can select, okay,